Hello YouTube. So another vlog this week. I don't even think it's going to be a weekly vlog. I think it's probably going to drag out to a couple of weeks, just to see how much we can get done and how much filming I can get and editing. So in my last vlog I was talking about all of the commissions that I was making, so the Dreadwolf, the Halla and the Mooncalf, and the Mooncalf was like almost ready for faux fur. So I'm going to be trying to get that done this week, well, at least a majority of it anyway, try and get that finished. At the moment I am felting the wolf, the Dreadwolf, with the movable jaw. So I probably at this point have posted some videos over on my Patreon if you want to check those out, about the jaw and the armature that I did for this one, because they're a little different. The jaw is a movable jaw and the armature is a little bit different. So that's over on my Patreon for my $10, $5 and up tiers. I can't remember. But yeah, check that out if you're interested in learning a thing or two about how I put this together. And I'm just going to continue needle felting the body and try and get the majority of that done. Baby is asleep at the moment, so I'm going to try and sort of hammer through some needle felting, get as much of it as I can get done, and then I can start on the fur. And I think I'm going to concentrate on the Dreadwolf first before I start any work on the Halla. I don't know, we'll see what goes on. They're for the same customer anyway. And yeah, I'll have to do a poll on my Patreon on what animal to make next. I have a couple in mind, so we'll see what gets picked. And yeah, I would really like to get my kuruma finished as well, because I want to actually get that video done at some point. It's almost finished. It's sort of been on the back burner for a long time, so I would like to get that done, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but we will see. I'll probably just keep it and put it in my collection because it's a copyrighted character anyway. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this little intro. So yeah, I'm gonna get some work done and see how much I can get done, hopefully a lot.
I'm gonna record some ambience and put it in this track.
guys, I forgot to film a little outro for this vlog, so I'm just going to talk it out while some footage plays of some work that I did throughout the couple of weeks that this vlog is. So I've basically finished up the Mooncalf that's been sent to the customer. Customer's really happy. And also I have been working on the Dreadwolf and the Halla, so as of now they are finished. I'm going to send them off very soon, so there'll be another vlog with some more of the footage, and I am going to do 2 videos of the process as well, so stay tuned for that one. And I'm currently working on a new collection, a new Japanese mythology collection, so I'm really excited for that, but I'll probably talk about that more at the end of the next vlog, when there'll be some footage about it. And I'll probably just leave it there. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I have a poll over there for my next animal doll as well, so go over and vote if you're a patron. And also I have a new video going up about the Dreadwolf as well, and I posted some more pictures of the Halla progress, so heaps of stuff over there, so check that out. And you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok as well. Be more active on TikTok because Instagram's kind of crap now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff helps my channel grow, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.